units off. Cables are in the right position, buffer, tube, everything is good. Control. CFS power on. Go ahead and put the printer to reboot complete. Light keep flashing back and forth on the CFS. Light flashing back and forth between two colors. And never stop. Keep doing this. Won't stop. Again, if I try to feed, see the light comes on. Now when do I go to that one, I just keep going, rotate back. Won't stop. Over and over and over again with a stop. Every light comes on, like you see, but when we go to that one, nothing happened. Keep going, rotate backward. Never stop the process. I don't know if that happened when the boot up, but this is not right. We can keep going this video for forever. We're doing this forever. Won't completely stop, so I can try to feed the cable and grab the cable like normal. So like I use instruction, I'm not going to pull it apart and show you all the parts inside, so you finally design me a CFS, because this is brand new unit out of the box. Last week Friday I received the equipment, received the device. See the light keep flashing. I watched several videos on the internet. That's not supposed to do this. You can see the number keep showing back and forth. And then if we go into here, not even recognize the CFS install. So I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to take it apart like you guys told me to. No filament stuck inside the tubes. Okay, my cousin let me use his machine to check if my problem was my machine that I bought it with the K2 Plus, but acting weird. Catch up all the cable, catch the cables up. I mean, all the machine are all these two are good. They connected. So let me see. This one is doing what it's supposed to do. That one is good. That one is good. Like you see, it's doing that like I did on the white one and the red one. The unit I did a factory reset is still the last process auto leveling. But what I'm seeing weird, this color keep doing that and not changing the blue or the white color when they're supposed to have that, different color over here. Let me put this. Now this one is not doing, it's not grabbing it. I don't know why. I hear the noise, but it's not grabbing the stuff. Something is holding the cable in it. I don't understand why it's not grabbing it. I did it before, but I had to pull it out, but now it's not grabbing it. But this is the weird part. These lights keep flashing. I don't know if it's because the unit not recognizing, and everything's installed like it should. The cable over here is going to the bottom. The cable is going to the buffer. I did a factory reset because the unit still not recognizing there was a CFS installed. So I'm waiting to the machine to finish the testing and then gonna try to reboot it again, see if now it's grabbing this. These two are good, three are good, but the light cannot changing color and being steady. Like I see other units in YouTube and on your YouTube channel also. I don't know, because maybe you guys send me a defect unit, both of them. So maybe also the Crelity 2K Plus is also damaged something, the motherboard that recognizes the CFS. I don't know, this is weird and I'm getting impatient. I pay for the brand new unit, almost $1,500, and I paid $28 for worry free. So right now I'm not a worry free. I'm very annoying and pissed off because of this. Spend $1,500 and nothing work. The only thing it work if you're printing on the spool side. And I don't want to do that because that's what I spend money to buy the CFS, so I can print with different colors. So as soon as I finish the leveling, auto leveling, I'm not going to go back in recorder, see why the unit not recognizing the CFS. And why the CFS is not finished, that one is a borrow machine. My cousin let me use his unit, and it was working fine on his 2K machine. So check complete. Looking good. Let me go back over here. The unit is still not seeing the CFS. And the CFS keep doing this. Why? So the original CFS that come with this unit, it's not working. Now this unit did not recognize this new unit that was working in my cousin unit. So maybe the whole freaking unit, both of them, they messed up. And I'm not going to put the other one apart. I'm not going to take the Crystal 2K, Crelity 2K unit and put it apart. No, it's not happening. It's not happening. I'm not a freaking engineer to put the stuff apart. I see people do it on the internet, and there's a lot of freaking work. I paid money to have a brand new unit. It's not working. You guys going to take that unit back, give me my money back, or send me a new one.